Closer. 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 What's up? How's that? That's pretty good, right? It's pretty hot. I'm sweating. Alright, so what's up, guys? So, welcome back. Episode 3 here we got going on. Since the last episode, I went ahead and just drained the oil, make little things less messy once you start going inside the good guts of it and the components and whatnot. Let me go ahead and show you what we're going to do today. The goal to be tackled is we're going to remove these 6 things. They're already unplugged here. We're going to give you up yonder there to unplug it there. We're going to remove these bolts right here, pop that one out. Then the next step will be to remove the fuel rails. We got bing, 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 right, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to do that so that I don't have to try and explain it later. Anyway, so if you work your way down here, you've got where the fuel line connects to the actual gas tank in the back is right there. You're gonna disconnect that, and there's a little what's it called? Mount. There's a mount or some joint right here. It's 1 bolt, and that'll remove it from the block. And then following the line up here, we've got a small little thing here. We might be able to just push it down, or we could just remove this 1 bolt here. It looks like it's a 6, and that'll allow all of that to be free. And then coming on to the fuel rails itself, there's 2 bolts right here and here, here and here. Undo those and it should just pop right on out. And after that, we might move on to the valve covers. I really want to get into the valve covers, but we gotta make everything on top neat real quick before we can get to it. So I think that was all of it. Went ahead and disconnected the sensor here, disconnected the connections to the actual injectors, and I think they can just pop off now. And hopefully I don't break anything, you know? Oh, and hopefully, yeah, I'm sure that's fine. Alright, so I went ahead and put some paper towels down there, cleaned up the mess that I did make, and then I laid down this towel just in case, because the other side is going to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to pull this. Nope. And then this side, just like that. I'll wait for that to leak out a little bit and I'll come back after I pull the fuel line and take out the injectors. Now you may be asking, is there a better way to do this? And the answer to that is probably. There's probably a way to take the injectors out with it. When I've done them on other cars, the injectors kind of just stay in the rails and pop off when I pop it off. Evidently that's not the case here, and that's fine, it's whatever. I'll just take them off separately. It just makes more of a mess. At least none of it got in my eyes this time, because that's never fun. Alright, so went ahead and took all of that off, let it dry up a little bit, cleaned it up a little bit. Now we're going to move on to the valve covers and attempt to take them off. I'm pretty confident we can get this side off. Not so sure that we can get the other side off because there's something holding something on over there and I don't know what it is. We'll figure it out, so. Alright, so these bolts are like the manifold bolts that they don't come all the way off. So that's kind of neat, I guess. Except when you're sitting there for like 5 minutes unscrewing the same bolt because you think it's still in there. But it's not. Because it's, you know, like the manifold. Okay. Alright, I think we got them all. I think. Possibly, maybe. Figure it out right now. Oh, it did something. I hope I don't make a mess right now. Oh, I forgot a bolt. It's always one. It's always one. That popped off really easily. Okay, what else we got? How far can we go? Oh, it's all the way off. Okay, awesome. Oh, awesome sauce. That was really easy. I hope the other side's just as easy. Yeah, we didn't make that much of a mess either. Awesome. Time for the part where I wasn't sure if I could get. The bolt back here is a little covered, and I don't know how to uncover it. So I'll give it a little yib yab and a little yam yam and see if I can get it. I'll take a look at it, and if I can get it, I can get it. If I can't, I'll come back to it a later time. Maybe in the next episode. Go for it. Say what's up, guys.
Hey guys!
We got it.
Yeah,
with my awesomeness.
Did it because I'm amazing.
Yeah, basically.
Make sure when you edit that you put a sparkle whenever I smile.
Like on your teeth.
Yeah.
Like a 1,000-watt smile.
Yeah.
You gonna go and take it off? Like all the bolts are off, right? That's your awesomeness. Just pull it off.
Just pull it off?
Yeah, just pull it off. Yeah. There you go. See if you can work it that way. You're almost there. You're practically home free. There you go. Alright, take it. Nice.
Got it.
Awesomeness. Teamwork right there. It's all over there. Stay.
Wow, I did something.
You said working on cars is hard.
It is. I'm sweating.
Sweating?
I just had to take that one.
Yeah. That probably took about 3 hours right there.
Really?
No.
Okay.
No, that took about 5 minutes. I think that's gonna be it. I think I'm done for the day.
Wow.
Yeah. Are you done for the day?
Yeah.
What's for dinner?
I don't know.
No? Tacos?
I'm down.
Taco Friday?
Yes.
Stir Friday?
I see what you did.
Alright guys, so to recap for today's video, we went ahead and I would remove this magic blanket. We went ahead and took off the valve covers. I'm very excited about that. First time I've ever done that. Yip yap, really easy. It was just 3 bolts up top, 3 bolts down here. On this side, the same on the other side. However, there was a magic bolt back here. You can't see it from here, but believe me, it was back there, and it was a size 13. Just had to break that free. It was holding a bracket that held the last bolts on that side. Easy day after that. The fuel rails, very easy. Wasn't my first time doing that. However, it's the first time where the injectors didn't want to come out, and for fear of breaking something, I decided to keep them in there. And all the spark plug wires are gone finally, so that's cool. Cleans up the mess a little bit. I'm gonna have to try and do something with these wiring harnesses so that I can get them out of the way and further into I can dive into the camshafts and the bearings and whatnot. But that's for another day, right? Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, do all that fun stuff. Deuces.